Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your OmeTV profile. If you no longer want to use your OmeTV account, just follow these simple steps. First, open the OmeTV app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Here, you'll find the Delete Profile option. Tap on Delete Profile. A confirmation message will appear explaining that deleting your profile may permanently remove your account and related data. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Delete Profile again to confirm. The app may ask you to verify your decision. Simply follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. After confirming, your profile deletion request will be processed. Depending on the app version, the deletion may happen immediately or take some time to complete. Before deleting your profile, make sure you no longer need any information linked to your account, as deleted data may not be recoverable. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your OmeTV profile. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Menu names and profile deletion options may vary depending on your device, app version, and region. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.